before you do this, so tell us who you are. We need to know you.
It's for my YouTube channel. Are you on YouTube? So you can subscribe to my YouTube channel.
I want to use my Facebook.
What do I want to carry your Facebook? Come on.
Good afternoon and welcome back to this week's vlog. If you're new, smash the subscribe button. So actually, I know it's been a long time since I made I did a vlog last. So and I decided to video this week's activity. Today is actually Saturday, so I'm starting on Saturday. So and I decided to start this week's vlog. I'm currently at my sister's place. My sister is very funny. She and her children. She asked them to go and lie down and sleep. They refused to. If they come out, she'll carry kid and they will run back. So anyways, so I'm starting this week's vlog. I'm going to let you guys know, come along with me this week and find out for yourself how this week. I just pray this week will be fruitful. Please, in case you don't know, I sell herbs. So if you need any herbs for any particular ailment, anyone, just chat me up. I'll drop my number in the description box so you can get my WhatsApp number there and chat me. In case you're wondering how my hair, this is my hair. Why it's like this? I already made a video about my hair, so you can still go back and check it out. So basically that's it for now. I'll let you guys know if there's any other thing. Hi, good afternoon. Today is Sunday and actually we are back from meeting and we are going to the market. I don't know, I think we'll be going to Flyover Market today, so you're going to follow me and go to Flyover Market and see how Flyover Market looks like. So meanwhile, you just come along with me. So guys, see, there's one thing I regularly do whenever I'm going out, especially when the sun is too much. I love to buy Tim. Is it Tim soda? No, it's not Tim soda. Tim bitter lemon and drink. So I stopped here to get one, but I'm checked there and they don't have Tim. And guys, you guys know I love taking Tim, especially when I'm going to the market. Tim is one of the things I look forward to buying. Cold Tim. I don't mind taking 2 bottles, so please don't come and preach to me about sugar and all that. But Tim is my best drink. So we are still going forward. I'm going to see if I can get another Tim on the road. So you guys will see. Check this place and see if I can find Tim. My throat is so dried now. I feel like if I don't take this Tim now, I don't know how many of you feel this way. Anyway, Tim. Tim. Video.
But I want you. No, chat all. They have, but it's not cold. And guys, I want cold one. I just pray this woman has it because I've looked for it long enough for them to have it. Knock. Good afternoon. You want a team?
Good afternoon, my team.
Hi. I want team. I don't know money when team. Oh, wow. Maybe when we get to the market. So I will just have to pause here again until we get to the market. Guys, see what Port Harcourt Road looks like. Okay, there's a shop there. Inside. Okay. They might have no team. Don't tell me that. You madam care with team. Team. Who can soda? Team green, Okay, I don't care tonic. You can't have mini go. What a good radical. What I get you with the Colanga? I want to get you. I don't know. I cannot keep myself.
Like the Curry, Steph and Aisha shit, but we more.
So, first of all, see what I got. I've been looking for team all the way down to this place.
Is it like a starter?
Please, not me color. Please open this thing for me. My hands are. So since I can't get team, see what I'm having instead.
I don't like starter.
Rabina.
Capresson. Mango capresson.
Guys. Oh my goodness.
How can I just change color?
You can just disorient your brain.
Hey. Do you know the best thing? I want let him borrow. Also, this hand fan, this rechargeable hand fan, will take what you did now, I don't know where, and I really, from the sphere shift to them company. Come on. Hey, Chineke, Becky, see yourself for my own. Becky, it's serious.
Why this keep happening to us? She forgot her ATM and then she went back to get her ATM. So I sat down there and I was waiting for her. But she's back now, so I think she has entered the ATM to get the money. Then we'll continue to the market. So, my first bank now. Alpha.
Mad. Afrobeat, Wizzy, Starboy.
Inside the market. So I can control it. Guys. Hey, I don't buy this kind of meat too. Huh? Look at this shell on our side. Look at this shell.
I want to use my Facebook.
What do I want to carry your Facebook? Come on.
Before you do this, you tell us who you are.
It's for my YouTube channel. Are you on YouTube? So you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to our YouTube channel. Go.
First, I want to know.
Go there now. You will find who I am. Go to YouTube.
Tell us who you are.
I'm not even with them.
Last
year, go le. I na amaghị n'azụ. Ị na-aghọta? Go le kinyere na. Nke so, ahani na 100. Any more, ahani na 100. Tiri mo nka. Are you buying? Nka. Ngwatinka. Looking for bike. Good morning, guys. So guys, you guys saw what happened at the market. Guys, if you were there, you're going to be so afraid, guys. If not that I am an Abia girl, like I grew up here in Abia, so I know their tactics and all that. The way they started shouting, they nearly mobbed us. The way they started shouting, "Who are you? Identify yourself. Okay, if you want to come and close this market." See me close which market? So even though that I said it's for my YouTube channel, people should go and you guys, I got subscribers from that from that market. So a lot of people were like, they started going online, to see truly if what I was saying was, the truth, and many of them subscribed. So guys, you see, one thing I learned from that incident is that, you see, in life you can never get things easy. You know, for things to get done, there are some little sacrifices you do. The thing kind of brought so many awareness to us. It brought so many people, all eyes were now on us. Everyone was just looking at us. It got to a point when they said, delete those videos, delete it. If my face is in that video, delete it. They nearly, if not that, I calmly and tactfully, you know, explained to them, so they kind of understood later on. So guys, I think this is where I'll you know, I'll stop for today for this week's vlog. So I think I'll stop it here. I've already made another vlog too, which will be going up probably after this one, so please look out for that one too. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog, this week's vlog. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, to share, like and comment. I love you guys.